Welcome to our school, Sri Bhavani Vidyaniketan. Today I am here to tell about the modern periodic table. The modern periodic table is not just for scientists and chemists. It plays a vital role in our daily lives. The elements of the modern periodic table are integrated into almost every aspect of our daily life, from the food we eat, air we breathe, and to the technology we use and the infrastructure of our daily life. Periodic table help us to understand the energy, health and lifestyles of our surroundings. And my friend Kirtana will come here and introduce the elements in our modern periodic table.
This is K. Kirtana from Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Now I am going to tell 118 elements. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, serapium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radon, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, strontium, rhodium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermonium, tennessine, organism. Thank you.
I am Sharmila, studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am here to tell you about the elements which are used in entertainment and leisure. Neon, used in colorful neon lights and signs. Helium, used to fill the air in balloons and in cooling system for the MRI missions. Phosphorus, used in fireworks and in safety matches.
This is El Jashnavi, studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am here to tell about the elements which are used in health and medical. Oxygen, vital for respiration and used in medical oxygen tanks. Iodine, used as an antiseptic and in thyroid medication. Calcium and magnesium, essential for bone health, present in supplements and fortified foods. Thank you.
This is Harshita, studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am here to tell about the elements used in household products. Chlorine. Chlorine is used in disinfectants, cleaning agents and water purification. Fluorine. Fluorine is present in toothpaste to prevent cavities. Carbon. Carbon is used in synthetic fibers, plastics and everyday packaging materials. Thank you.
This is Pramila from Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am going to tell about the elements used in construction and infrastructure. Calcium, found in cement and concrete, essential for roads and buildings. Iron and carbon, combined to make steel, which is used in construction, frameworks, bridges and skyscrapers. Thank you.
This is D. Sadakshi Kshetra from Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am here to tell about the elements which are used in food and nutrition. Sodium and chlorine combine to form table salt, essential for preserving food and seasoning. Iron is found in dietary supplements to prevent anemia. Zinc, used in multivitamins to balance the immune system support. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is I Bhavana from Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am going to tell about the elements which are used in energy and battery. Lithium, essential in rechargeable batteries for smartphones, mobiles and laptops and electrical vehicles. Uranium is used in nuclear power plants for electrical generation. Hydrogen is used as a clear fuel in hydrogen powered vehicles. Thank you for giving this great opportunity.
This is Suma, studying at Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am here to tell about the uses of elements in cosmetics and personal care. Zinc oxide, ZnO, used in sunscreens and skincare products. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3, used as an abrasive in toothpaste. Sodium, and found in soaps and detergents for cleaning purpose. Thank you.
This is Monica, studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I want to explain about elements in electronics and gadgets. Silicon used in computer chips smartphones and solar panels. Copper found in electrical wiring and circuits due to its high conductivity. Gold and silver used in high-end electric components for corrosion resistance and conductivity. Thank you.
This is B. Sauzanya studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. Today I am going to tell you about the elements used in transportation. For petroleum and hydrocarbons. These are derived from carbon and hydrogen used as fuels like petrol and diesel. Platinum used in catalytic converters to reduce vehicle emissions. Aluminium and titanium used in manufacturing lightweight and strong components in car and airplanes. Thank you.
This is Pallavi studying in Sri Bhavani CBSE school. I am here to tell about elements used in home appliances. Aluminium. Aluminium is used in kitchen utensils, foils, appliances due to its light weight. Iron. Iron found in household tools, cookware and appliances like refrigerators and washing machines. Thank you.
By this we can understand that the elements in our lives are very important.